Let's look at a generator, 10 kilowatt generator, air compressor, and load this puppy up. Let's go. Okay, let's fire it up. Let's go. Can I push the button? Yeah, fire it up. This is a Kohler 10 kilowatts. Real nice. 4-cylinder, Ford engine. A little dusty and dirty, but runs beautiful. It's in stock number. Alright, let's load it up. There is a air compressor inside there, a blower, a heat pump, all sorts of stuff for the manhole. Here we go. Panel lights. Nope. Engine start. Main breaker. Alright, here we go. We're going to turn on the, let's turn on the air compressor. That seems to load it good. We got 240 volts or 220, a little bit better than 220 volts. Here we go. Air compressor number 1. And we watch the air come up. That's hertz are good. Not pulling many amps. Here comes number 2. Now it's working a little bit. The air dryer doesn't really draw anything. It just makes noise. All right, let's turn the blower on. That's low. I'm going to turn it to high. Now the heat boost 1. There it goes. Now we're working them hard. Heat boost number 2. I think these are each 3,000 watts or so. Yeah, 3,000 watt heat boost. Here we go. We got them both on. I don't know if that one did anything. No, that one's not working. But you got 20 amps on about 20 amps on each leg. We're running as much equipment as we can. The generator has 2,362 hours on it. It's humming. Let's go listen to it. This is as loaded as we can with all the equipment in the truck running. It's got a liquid cooled exhaust, like a marine unit. The exhaust is not that hot. And then it comes out here by the radiator. The radiator fan blows forward and it blows it away. This is loaded pretty good right now. This is stock number 1487. That's a good running one. Wow. This thing runs good. Okay, here we go. We're going to shut it down now. Heat boost 2, which I don't think works. 1. Blower. Low. Off. Air compressor 1. Well, let's look at the air. Yep, we're up to about 100 psi or so. Anyway, we'll shut these down. Watch the gauges. There's 1. 2. That's it. We're done loading. Now we're going to shut the engine off.